Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing some of these Clitoria, also known as the butterfly pea. See there. Sowing times: lightly scarify seed before sowing. That means that you need to just take a little bit of the skin off. Sow seed on the surface of a free draining damp seed compost. Cover with a fine layer of compost over vermiculite, 6 mm 8 inches deep. Place in a propagator or sealed container, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm looking forward to these because these are a climber. It says sow March, April, so for 4 or 5 weeks too early, but it's my little heated greenhouse, so they should be plenty big enough by the time they are ready to go out. Acclimatise them a couple of weeks before you're going to put them out, just to get them ready to the drop in temperature. So yeah, let's get these open. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Set up here, folks. You can see this. Get these open. These are quite big seeds. There is only 20 seeds in here, so I should open them from the bottom, like I always do. My little snips. A little bit further. Still in it tight with these this time. And then let's have a look at these, shall we? Like these are them. Beautiful round seeds there. I shall show you what right, this is what I'm using just to scarify them. All you need to do is just get them on the edge there, yeah, and then just a little bit of the pod off, like so, and then they can be sown. Then I'll go through all these, get them done. Yeah, because I've got quite a hard outer surface on these. Hopefully they'll all germinate well enough. Drop that one. I'll sow them. Right, these have all been scarified now. What I'm going to do with these is just place them like so. On there, move them all over to this side because I'm sowing at least 2 lots of different seeds in here. Put in a bit of compost, just trying to bury them. Nice little bit of compost over the top, like so, quite deep. That's what it says, and that's it. So yeah, that's how to sow Clitoria Butterfly Pea. If you've got any questions, hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.